Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Windows modules installer is causing 100% disk usage on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to install all the updates. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to update all drivers. How can we do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, select optional updates. If you see any optional updates, then please install them. And lastly, restart the Windows installer service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the Windows installer service. Okay, and then right click on the Windows installer service and finally select start or restart, whatever option you have. Now I'll tell you the real thing. Basically this was stuck because Windows updates are still in process, or Windows updates are stuck or not going through. So when I say install all updates, my basic purpose is to make sure that each and every update is installed. When that happens, this service will automatically stop causing high CPU usage. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.